Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using American Express's free credit score service. American Express offers a complimentary credit score access tool for cardholders and even non-cardholders through their website. This service provides you with your credit score, updated regularly, and doesn't require a hard inquiry on your credit report, meaning it won't negatively impact your score. Understanding your credit score is crucial for managing your finances effectively. Whether you're applying for a loan, renting an apartment, or simply want to keep track of your financial health, knowing your score is the first step. American Express makes this process easy and accessible. This free tool doesn't just give you a number, it also offers insights into the factors influencing your score. It breaks down the key components that contribute to your overall creditworthiness, such as payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and credit mix. By understanding these factors, you can take proactive steps to improve or maintain your credit standing. This level of detail empowers you to make informed financial decisions. With American Express's free credit score feature, you can monitor your credit report for potential errors or suspicious activity. Early detection of any discrepancies is vital for protecting your financial identity and addressing any issues promptly. The service can help you stay vigilant and maintain a healthy credit profile. Regular checks can give you peace of mind knowing you're on top of your credit health. Beyond just providing your score, American Express offers educational resources and tools to help you better understand credit and how to manage it effectively. This information can be incredibly valuable for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy and make smart financial choices. They offer personalized recommendations and guidance tailored to your specific credit situation. This personalized approach can help you take targeted actions to achieve your financial goals. Leveraging this resource can contribute significantly to your overall financial well-being.